Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We have completed the explanation of chapter number 5 light, and now today we are going to discuss the exercises of this lesson. So first exercise is tick the correct options. The part of the spherical mirror from which reflection takes place is called the aperture. C is the answer here. The geometric center of the spherical mirror is called its pole. A is the answer here. In case of a concave mirror, focus is real and lies in front of the mirror. D is the answer here. Now fill in the blanks. Number 1 is dash is the phenomenon of bouncing back of light in the same medium in which it is traveling when it falls on a surface. That is called reflection. Now second, any surface that can reflect the light rays falling on it into the same medium is called a dash surface. It is called a reflecting surface. Then a mirror in which the reflecting surface is curved is called a spherical mirror. Then a spherical mirror whose bulging surface is reflecting and inner surface is silvered is called convex mirror. That is the convex mirror. A line joining the center of curvature to any point on the mirror is normal. The answer is normal. Normal to the mirror at that point. The focal length and radius of curvature are related as f equals to r upon 2. Real images are always inverted. An image that cannot be obtained on a screen is called a virtual image. Now next exercise, when a ray of light parallel to the principal axis falls on a spherical mirror, it passes or appears to pass through the principal focus. Answer is principal focus. In case of concave mirror, when the object is placed at infinity, the image formed is at focus. In case of convex mirror, when the object is placed anywhere between infinity and pole, the image formed is between P and F. What is the size of the image formed by a convex mirror when the object is placed at infinity? It is highly diminished. A convex mirror is used as a rear view mirror in vehicles. Now fill in the blanks. Light travels in a straight line as long as it remains in the same medium. The phenomenon of bending or change in the direction of light when it passes from one transparent medium to another is called refraction of light. When we compare the speed of light in two different media, the medium in which the speed of light is more is called rarer medium. The ray that falls on the surface separating the two media is called incident ray. The angle between the normal and the refracted ray is called the angle of refraction. When a ray of light travels obliquely from a rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. No refraction takes place when light falls normally on the interface of two media. Now state whether the following statements are true or false. Rewrite the false statements correctly. Now speed of light is maximum in water. It is false. Speed of light is maximum in air. A coin underwater appears to be raised due to refraction of light. That is true. A mirage is formed in the deserts due to reflection of light. That is true. First, the ray of light gets refracted and at a certain stage it undergoes reflection, and due to this reflection of light an inverted image of the object is formed, and that is called mirage. Now take the correct options. In case of refraction through a glass slab, the angle of emergence is equal to the angle of incidence. D. The perpendicular distance between the original path of the incident ray and the emergent ray is called lateral displacement. Now, which of the relations is incorrect? D1 is incorrect. Which of the following is the correct order of 7 colors in the spectrum of white light? This one, Vibgyor, B. The phenomenon of splitting of white light into 7 colors on passing through a transparent medium like a prism is called dispersion. Active index of a medium is minimum for light of dash color, that is red color, and maximum for light of violet color. So this combination B, red and violet. Fill in the blanks. With an increase in the angle of incidence and thickness of the glass slab, the lateral displacement increases. The two inclined rectangular surfaces of a prism act as the refracting surfaces. The angle at which the two refracting surfaces of a prism are inclined is called the angle of prism. The band of 7 colors obtained on the screen when white light passes through the prism is called spectrum. Dash demonstrated that 7 colors seen in the rainbow recombine to form white light. Newton. Now that's all about the exercises. Today, inshallah, we'll discuss the question answers in the next video, and do all the exercises in your book, and be prepared for your third term test very well. Do your studies properly and regularly, and attend all your classes, online classes regularly, and try to get good marks.